Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. We got a couple quick stories tonight. We're going to talk about the Bitcoin firewall sale, China's Great Firewall, and crypto in Congress. Right now, I want to tell you guys where I'm coming from. I'm flying in between the clouds. Why? Because Bitcoin is so damn cheap right now. I can't help it but fly around. Alright, let's jump into our stories real quick. First story up, Bitcoin nosedives the entire market. Basically, for the first time in a long time today, Bitcoin hit below 7,000. And if you guys understand the relationship between Bitcoin and the altcoins, when Bitcoin falls, all the coins fall. When Bitcoin goes up, all the coins go up. It's just how it works. Now, it wasn't just Bitcoin today. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped more than 1,100 points today, Monday. And the Dow Jones is at its lowest point since 2011. So if you were speculating on the stock market and you're out of it right now, now's a good time to jump in. If you want to get into the crypto market, right now is an amazing time to jump in. Go to our next story real quick. Ban complete. China is blocking foreign crypto exchanges to counter the financial risks. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever been to China or you understand how the Great Chinese Firewall works, but basically China can block websites from ever coming into the country, and they have a firewall that employs thousands and thousands of people that basically keep people from being able to look at websites that they don't want to show you. So what websites are banned in China? A couple small websites: Google, YouTube, Facebook, Yahoo, Wikipedia. Now they're banning all the crypto exchanges. Did I mention YouTube is blocked? If you guys are watching this now, you couldn't even be watching this in China. How do you say hello and goodbye in China? Ni hao, zai zhen zong gu. That's hello and goodbye, China. Alright, so basically, China put its Great Firewall up to block. They blocked ICO websites previously, and now they're blocking exchanges. This is pretty bad news because China makes up a big part of the cryptocurrency population. They make up over half the Bitcoin miners of the world. To block them, it's not good. So that's partly driven the news. There's a lot of Chinese have pulled their money out of the crypto market right now because they're not sure they'll be able to access it later on. So that's what's been happening there. Next thing coming up, tomorrow, this is also adding to the withdrawal of the market. The CFTC, that stands for the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, and the SEC, Security Exchange Commission, both the chairpersons are going to be fielding questions from Congress tomorrow and talking to the Senate Banking Committee. This, I think, is actually good news. No one knows how they're going to react, but the SEC and the CFTC, you know, they've embraced Bitcoin futures. They're not against crypto. They like crypto. What they really want to do is just reach an agreement with Congress, tell them what to be worried about, what not to be worried about. Maybe they talk about the dangers of ICOs or Bitcoin scams. But basically, if it's ever going to get legalized, this is the path that it has to go. So this is actually good news. I'm excited to see what they talk about. I'm pretty sure that both these chairpersons are knowledgeable in crypto, and they're not anti-crypto. I hope. And that will let basically crypto blow up. There may be some crackdowns on stuff like ICOs and Ponzi schemes, which would be good if these guys can kind of monitor that and help control that, and then help kind of bring crypto into our fold, make it legal. You know, when things are legal like this, that's when these kind of industries can blow up. Kind of like poker blew up, and they would never take away something like poker. Oh, wait a second, they did take away poker. Never mind. Alright, last thing let's talk about, the market. If you're paying attention to the market right now, the entire market's down. We're down to 300 billion. We were at 800 something billion in December. So we've lost about $500 billion in the market over the last couple months. But Also, I want to tell you guys, the way that's calculated is everything's calculated against Bitcoin. When Bitcoin price goes up and goes down, it affects every other coin. It's like a giant multiplier. When Bitcoin goes up and down, the entire market gains hundreds of billions of dollars, and when Bitcoin goes down, it loses hundreds of billions of dollars. So don't worry about this too much. We will hit $1 trillion this year in 2018, and Bitcoin will hit $25,000 before the year is over. Alright guys, I want to thank you guys for checking in to me real quick. If you don't mind, check out the website, hit like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for checking us out. More videos coming up all this week.